Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will tell you, are you getting enough iodine? So friends, let's start the video. Number 1. What does iodine do? Your thyroid, a small butterfly shaped gland in your neck, use iodine to make hormones that helps your body do lots of things like make energy and keep you warm. These hormones are also important for a baby bone and brain development. Before and after birth, your body does not make iodine, so you have to get it from food or supplement. Number 2. How much do you need? Adults needs about 150 micrograms a day. Infant need about 110 mcg a day up to 6 months old and 130 micrograms from 7 to 12 months. Then recommended level go down to 90 through 8 years of age. Kids 9 to 13 should get about 120 micrograms per day. But most Americans have no trouble getting those amounts from food. You will need more if you are pregnant or nursing. Number 3. What if you are? If they are an especially important time to get enough iodine, too little could affect your baby growth and brain development. That's why pregnant women need about 50% more iodine than other adults. You are even more likely to have low level if you do not eat dairy foods during pregnancy. Talk to your doctor about whether your levels could be low and what to do about it. They may suggest you take a supplement with 150 micrograms of iodine. Number 4. Foods with iodine. Seaweed can be a great source through the amount, but saving varies depending on the type you eat. Iodine is also in eggs, dairy products like milk, yogurt and cheese, and seafoods like shrimps, tuna and cod. When you see foods labeled iodized like salt, it means they have iodine added. You should be able to get enough for iodized salt, but keep in mind that the salt added to processed food like chips and canned soup often has zero iodine. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more amazing watching videos. Thank you so much.